Function blocks allow you to create more unique designs and shapes with Beuta's products, achieving 90-degree turns and exact lengths. They are available in all the same sizes and colors as our traditional 4-foot section blocks. First, we have start and end blocks. They are used if you have projects with exposed ends, not looping around and connecting with itself. With start and end blocks, you don't have the hole from the female end or the protrusion from the male end, disrupting your aesthetics. Next are turn blocks. Assuming you are installing with the male end in the front, the left turn block will turn left or counterclockwise at a 90-degree angle, and the right turn block will turn right or clockwise. These blocks are positioned perpendicular compared to our normal block, with the female end on the side instead of on the back. Lastly, are extender blocks. These are a single block version of our 4-foot section with a male and female end on either side. You can connect multiple extender blocks together in order to achieve a specific length. It is very important to only install in one direction, not starting at both ends and meeting in the middle. This removes potential mistakes or confusion with male and female ends. Hopefully that helps with making some design decisions with your edging project. And if you do have any more questions, please reach out to our customer service team. They'll be happy to help.